For those of you who take lip lining for granted, this tip is going to help you. So let's dive into this. Tip number 1, I'm going to use Mented's Night Lip Liner for this. So try to take something that's just a tad bit deeper than your natural lip line. Number 2, do not go down all the way till the end of your lips. So cut short the length just a tad bit and stop somewhere here. So on one side, I'm going to do this. On the other side, I'll show you a typical mistake I see a lot of people make. Overlining just a little bit. So if you see this vermilion line, this slightly whitish line right above the pigmented lip line, so where your lip line ends and the brown pigment stops, you go slightly over that. I stop right there. So when I'm outlining my lower lip, I follow the same rule. I don't go all the way to the end. But notice when I go down, I go a little bit below my lower lip. Right now, this creates a shadow effect. I'm now going to pull this color in a little bit. So later when I apply my lipstick, it looks blended in. That's it. Now let's do the mistake part. I'm staying on the brown pigmented lip line. And I'm going down all the way, which is what most people do. Right? Again, lower lip the same way. Take a look at my lips on both the sides. This side of my lips look lifted and fuller. This side look droopy and thinner. The lesson here is just because your lips end all the way here, do not take your lip liner all the way down there. And for most of you who completely skip lip liner, this is so important because lip liner helps keep your lipstick in for much longer. It shapes your lips much better. So if you want to create an illusion that you're looking for, lip liner is your best friend. So I balance the lips on both the sides just by fixing the lip liner and evening the look out. I'm now going to fill my lips with Mented's Plum On Over and City Beauty's Crimson color. So City Lips from City Beauty also plump your lips. That's what they are known for. It's an excellent treatment because without irritating your lips like most lip plumpers do, you actually experience lip plumping. You feel that little tingling sensation without the irritation. So it's really nice, and try to get their clear color. I will link it below. The clear color is my favorite. It's a great overnight treatment, especially if you experience vertical lip lines, because when you're sleeping, you're squishing your lips in all directions, and that can expedite your lip wrinkles and lip thinning. So that's a great treatment. It's also a great lip balm. So it's an all-in-one lip gloss, lip balm, lip plumper, and a lip treatment. So definitely check out City Lips from City Beauty. City Beauty is offering 40% off between November 14th and November 21st. Use my promo code BLUSH with me for 40% off their site-wide Black Friday sale. And that is the final reveal.